Hi, Michael with Lumens. I'm back to tell you now more about the DC125. Don't forget, the DC125 can still be used with our popular DC A11. This is our wireless flyer, sometimes referred to just as our flyer. This wireless base can be used with our existing DC120 or with our DC125. We set the camera into the base, make the USB connection, and you now have a wireless document camera. The base uses an 802.11g wireless technology. There is an SSID that's being sent out that's easy to be seen by your computer. If your computer does not have a network interface point, we give you one with a dongle that sits right here in the base. Or you can use with the laptop. Very simple to connect, very simple to use, and it does work with the existing Ladybug software. Same warranty as before, and also still free training. So give us a call. We can show you how to connect your wireless Ladybug to your DC125. So for more information, go to the Touchboards website, contact them, and they'd be happy to send you all the literature or information and pricing that you need. Hi, Michael with Lumens. I'm back to tell you now